Ever wondered what it's like to walk through a paradise of plants where every corner is bursting with fresh greenery? Friends, it's Sunday, and what better way to spend the day than surrounded by lush greenery? Today, we're heading to a beautiful farm to pick out some amazing plants and pots for our home. If you love nature, you're going to enjoy this journey. Our destination? A hidden green paradise located 10 to 12 kilometers beyond Hoskote, on the eastern outskirts of Bengaluru. To get there, we'll be cruising along NH75, passing through the bustling town of Hoskote and catching a glimpse of the newly opened STR Expressway. It's going to be an exciting short drive, and what awaits us at the farm is truly worth it. So, buckle up and join us as we explore this plant lover's haven. At 10 a.m. sharp, Anku and I set out in our car, eager for another plant hunting adventure. The drive along NH75 was peaceful, with the morning sun shining bright and the breeze carrying a hint of freshness. As we reached Kotipura village, the sight of endless greenery welcomed us. The nursery stood right ahead, sprawling and full of life, waiting to be explored. We are a regular customer of the Arun Farm and Nursery, and let me tell you, this place never ceases to amaze us. Stepping inside, we were instantly surrounded by the rich scent of fresh soil and blooming flowers. This place isn't just a nursery, it's a well-organized green haven. Yeah, plants are neatly arranged in rows, making it easy to navigate and pick what you love. From one section to another, we strolled through a diverse collection, which includes flowering beauties. Rows of hibiscus, bougainvillea, jasmine, and marigolds filled the air with a mild, sweet fragrance. Bonsai section. This was our favorite. Each bonsai was a masterpiece, shaped and nurtured with care. 4. Exotic plant. We spotted some Brazilian wood, fiddle leaf figs, and money plants, great for both homes and offices. The nursery is equipped with auto sprinklers. Automation is benefiting every walk of our life. Indoor plants, beautiful rubber plants, snake plants, peace lilies, ferns, and Z plants. All perfect for adding a green touch to homes. Large trees and shrubs towering Ashoka trees, coconut palms, and grafted amla plants lined the outer area. Perfect for big gardens. What makes shopping here so convenient is their self-pushing carts. We grabbed one and started filling it up. The best part? We weren't alone. Many fellow plant lovers were pushing their carts around, carefully picking out their favorite plants. Some even brought along family members, discussing where to place each new addition at home. It was a beautiful sight. So many people connected by their love for nature. After selecting our plants, we moved to another exciting section, the pot collection. And wow, what a variety! From ceramic pots with artistic designs to sturdy plastic and terracotta ones, there was something for every type of plant. We picked 4 to 5 pots in different sizes to complement our new plants. Finally, it was time to check out. Our total bill came to 5,000 rupees, but here's the best part, we got a 5% discount. Turns out, they're running this offer from March to May 2025. So if you're planning to visit, now's the best time to grab a deal. As we loaded everything into our car, we made sure to thank the gardener who had been so helpful in guiding us. A small gesture of appreciation. We handed him a 100 rupee tip present. The smile on his face was worth it. I must say that all the staffs are courteous and they go out of their way to help you with your questions. After about 2 hours, we had worked up quite an appetite, and what better way to wrap up the trip than with a delicious South Indian meal. On our way back, we stopped at Udupi Utsav in Rampura and indulged in some delicious food, the ultimate South Indian delight, filter coffee. It was the perfect way to end a fulfilling day. So, was our visit worth it? Absolutely. Arun Farms and Nursery is not just a place to buy plants, it's an experience, a retreat for anyone who loves greenery. Whether you're a casual plant parent or a serious gardening enthusiast, this place has something for you. And here's a question for you. What's your favorite plant and where do you buy it from? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this little green adventure, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, stay green and keep growing.